In this video, I am going to introduce the Dhan Home Dashboard. Dhan has a unique and revolutionary dashboard which gives you all the important features on one go. When you log in, the first thing you see is the dashboard. You have these menu options on the top where you can access other areas of the Dhan platform. You can just click on the home menu to come back to the dashboard from wherever you are on the site. On the left side, you have your personalized market watch. It is very user friendly. You can add up to 10 watch lists, and in each you can add up to 100 scripts. If you have stocks in portfolio, in that case system will generate another watch list named as invested. By just clicking in the search, by default it will show you your recent searched scripts and most trending stocks of the day. You can directly access your named watch lists by clicking here, or if you know, you can access by clicking on numbers also. If you want to see the detailed view of a particular watch list, just select the watch list and click on the play button. It will give you maximum access to your particular watch list. Coming to the bottom options of the market watch, you can use these options to sort stocks like alphabetical order or last traded price or percentages changes. You can use this manage option at the bottom of the watch lists area to manage all the watch lists. On hovering on any instruments, you will find these options to buy, sell, pop up the chart in the trading view, open the chart in the same window, and market depth. If you have any holdings in that stocks, it will show the holdings option, and last one is delete. By just clicking on any script, information will be shown in the right side of the panel. Info is completely unique and very rich in features. What we have done differently is it will show all the information about the selected stocks like overview of the today, fundamentals of that stocks, technicals of that stocks, and all major indicators and its values, margin requirements of the different order types, option chain and options that you can trade on that stock, futures that you can trade, and you can place forever order, and you can create alert and you can start the SIP in that stock. Now coming to the home dashboard. On the right side of the dashboard, first one is portfolio value. This gives you an overview of your account portfolio value like total invested, current value of that investment, and unrealized profit value. Second one is today's positions. Today market is closed, otherwise this box will be shown in the home dashboard as a second submenu. The today's positions gives you an overview of your today's trading stats like P&L, trade value, and open and closed positions number, and high class features like today's maximum profit and maximum loss just for your info. The invest and trade on stock exchanges is a very quite unique feature. From this subsection, you can directly access hundreds and thousands of instruments that you would like to trade. Along with the market watch, we developed this feature to give you easy access to all the available scripts that you can trade in. You will love to see the options. Just click on the options and it will open the high class inbuilt option screener. Contains the most active options to trade, OI gainers, OI losers, top 100 options to trade. I will make a detailed video regarding this subsection. The money in Dhan section gives you an overview of your accounts like what's the cash available in your account, margin utilized, and percentage of margin utilized, and you can directly add money to your account from this subsection. In the market watch subsection, we have added all the major indexes for easy access to the traders so that you can track and analyze the live market as quickly as possible by just give a glance. In the portfolio snapshot, it will give you your top 5 gainers and top 5 losers of your investment, and the last one is high and lows of your investment as of today. In this you can see the profit making stocks and loss making stocks in one shot. If you have any information required or any suggestions, please comment below. We love to see your feedback. Thank you and meet you in the next video.